Morning, Abuelo.
Hey, when's Magic Gift happen?
My cousin's ceremony is tonight.
What's his gift?
We're gonna find out.
What's your gift?
Who's asking?
Us?
Well, us. I can't just talk about myself. I'm only part of the amazing Madrigals.
Who's all the amazing Madrigals?
Ah, you're not gonna leave me alone, are you? Casita, help me out. Drawers. Floors. Doors. Let's go. This is our home. We've got every generation. So full of music, a rhythm of its own design. This is my family, a perfect constellation. So many stars and everybody gets to shine. Whoa! Let's be clear up while I run this show. Whoa! She let us hear so many years ago. Whoa! And every year our family blessings grow. There's just a lot you simply got to know. So, welcome to the family Madrigal. The home of the family Madrigal. We're on our way, where all the people are fantastical and magical. I'm part of the family Madrigal.
Oh my gosh, it's them! What are they saying? I can't remember all the I don't know who is who.
All right, relax.
It is physically impossible to relax. That's everything. What are your powers? Just tell us what everyone can do.
And that's why coffee's for grown-ups. Might be a bed, but her mood affects the weather. Grown-ups. Might be a bed, but her mood affects the weather. When she's unhappy, well, the temperature gets weird. Might be a Bruno.
We don't talk about Bruno.
They say he saw the future. One day he disappeared. Oh, and that's why Mom Julieta here's her deal. Oh, and that's why Mom Julieta here's her deal. Whoa, the truth is she can heal you with a meal. Whoa, her recipes are remedies for real. If you're impressed, imagine how I feel, Mom. Welcome to the family Madrigal. The home of the family Madrigal. Two guys fell in love with family Madrigal. And now they're part of the family Madrigal. Silvio, Felix, Mary, Bella, and my dad married Julieta. That's how Abuela became an Abuela Madrigal. Let's go, let's go.
We swear to always help those around us and earn the miracle that somehow found us. The town keeps growing, the world keeps turning, but work and dedication will keep the miracle burning, and each new generation must keep the miracle burning.
Wait, who's a sister and who's a cousin? There's so many people. How do you keep them all straight?
Okay. So many kids in our house, so let's turn the sound up. You know why? I think it's time for a grandkid roundup. Grandkid roundup. Cousin Dolores can hear a pin drop. Camilo shakes, Antonio gets his gift today. My older sisters, Isabella and Luisa. One strong, one graceful, perfect in every way. Isabella. Throws the flowers, the town goes wild. Isabella. She's a perfect golden child. Luisa. And Luisa's super strong. The beauty and the blonde, you know wrong. That's good, Daddy. That's life in the family Madrigal. Whoa. Now you know the family Madrigal. Whoa. Where all the people are fantastical and magical. That's who we are in the family Madrigal. Adios. Oh.
But what's your gift?
Well, I gotta go the life of a Madrigal. But now you all know the family Madrigal. I never meant this to get autobiographical. Just to review the family Madrigal. Let's go. It starts with Abuela and then the but she knows the weather. My mom Julieta can make you feel better with just one out of that. My dad Agustin, well, he's acting pro like well. Hey, you said you wanted to know what everyone does. I got sisters and cousins and my primo Camilo won't stop until he makes you smile today. My cousin Dolores can hear this whole corner's a mile away. My sister Mariana, you can marry my sister if you want to. Between you and me, it's kind of a prima donna. You always too much and thank you, but I really gotta go. My family's amazing, and I'm in my family, so
What are you doing?
They were just asking about the family and...
She was about to tell us about her super awesome gift!
Oh, Mirabel didn't get one.